Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is I, Shaniqua, back with another video. It's been a minute since my last vid, and I want to apologize for that. A lot has been going on in my personal life and my family life, and now that the world has been turned upside down on its shoulders, it's been really challenging to get back in front of you all and pick up where I left off. I promised that I would be back with another video, you know, saying where I've been and all that other stuff. If you paid attention, my energy was really low. It was really low in my last videos because I was getting over a sinus infection, and the light from that unboxing was beginning to like really affect my senses. That has alleviated. I am fine. I'm just thankful and grateful to be here with you all. So anyway, let's talk about what's to come for 2020. I plan to do a lot more sewing. I haven't done a lot of sewing videos since the inception of my YouTube channel. I started this channel just on a whim of wanting to chronicle really what I make, because most of the times I'm completely shocked that I've done that. I don't remember sewing it. I do remember the cutting out the fabric part because that is the most treacherous part about sewing. But as you can see, I am in my bedroom. The kids have been here with me during quarantine,
and that has not been fun.
These 15 kids, I mean these 3 kids start to, can I get a moment? La 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 la. Can y'all please shut up? Can y'all please go outside? Like, can y'all go do something besides like just you know? So I was like, they're getting on my nerves, okay? They beginning to get on my nerves, and I'm not very pleased with that. So I decided that I'm gonna adopt me some new kids. I'm gonna adopt me some new kids. I needed someone or something that will bring me some peace and some purification. You know, something that I can raise up and watch grow, you know? So I decided to make a different type of purchase and do a different type of unboxing. I mean, it's to be expected. I got 2 new babies, and I'm so happy that I have them. I don't know much about nothing about this, but I will learn. I'm just excited about what's to come. I want you guys to enjoy the unboxing. I'm glad to be back in front of the camera. Y'all don't understand how much I appreciate you. I appreciate you for even wanting to give me, a girl like me, a girl from the hood that is up to all kinds of good, a chance to be viewed by you. Okay, I want you to come back and see all the other videos. So if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification bell, hit the like on this video if you thought that it was entertaining enough, and leave me a couple of lines down below so I can get to know you just as you are getting to know me. Until the next video, guys, love you, stay safe, and enjoy the video. Later, guys.
like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Blessings!